Good morning, folks. I got a quick video today for you on how to get better seed germination in your clay soil. I've got everything we need laid out here. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to observe to get a higher germination rate for your seeds in your clay soil is the temperature. Your ground temperature ideally needs to be 75 to 80 degrees. The closer to that temperature, the higher chance you're going to have of that seed germinating. Anything below 60 degrees, there's not much of a chance that that seed is going to germinate. You need to know what your soil temperature is, and you can do that with a simple thermometer. After you have the correct soil temperature, it's time to go and plant. Today we are going to be putting a noodle bean in the garden. And on this packet of seeds, it has planting instructions. Don't read the planting instructions, other than possibly your spacing. You want to plant all of your seeds to a depth of 2.5 times the thickness of that seed. And the thickness is as that seed is laying there in my hand. These are a pole bean that are going into a Mittleider garden. So we're going to space them 2 inches apart. Determine the spacing that you're going to plant those seeds. This is a pole bean in a Mittleider garden, so I'm spacing them 2 inches apart. Make an indent to the correct depth, 2.5 times the thickness of the seed, and place the seed in that indent. You can use a hoe handle if you want, drag it along, make a little channel to put everything in, however you choose to do it, so long as you are at the correct depth. Do not cover that seed back up with your clay soil. Your clay soil, when it gets wet, it dries out, it becomes hard. Your low germination rate is because that seedling is not able to push up and through that hard clay soil. We're going to cover all of this with a sand, and let me go get it. Just like that. After your seeds are covered with sand, you also want to cover them with a burlap or a shelf liner. This is a shelf liner I got from Walmart. It's fairly inexpensive. This is going to do a couple of things. It's going to protect it from birds coming in and digging up your seeds, and it's also going to act as a diffuser for the water when you put water on the seeds. Put this on after the seedlings are covered, water it well, and you're going to leave this on until you detect you have germination. When you see germination, put the cover back on, water one more time, and then you're going to remove your barrier so those seedlings can immediately get sunlight. So, to review, wait until your ground temperatures are 70 to 80 degrees, 70 to 85 works. Disregard the planting instructions on the package. Plant that seed 2.5 times the thickness of the seed. Cover with a good quality sand. Cover the seed in the sand with a burlap or shelf liner. Water it in immediately. Keep those seeds wet. Sounds like my neighbor's target practicing today. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.